Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on maintaining your Lenovo ThinkPad. In this video, we'll cover everything from tools needed to internal cleaning, ensuring your device runs smoothly for years to come. To start, let's gather the tools you'll need for this maintenance task. 1. A Phillips screwdriver set, specifically, a number 0 and number 1 size for the screws on your ThinkPad. 2. A plastic spudger or prying tool. This will help you open the laptop without damaging it. 3. An anti-static wrist strap, to prevent any static damage to your internal components. 4. Compressed air, ideal for cleaning dust from vents and fans. 5. A microfiber cloth, for gentle cleaning of surfaces. Now that we have our tools ready, let's begin with the first step, removing the back cover of your ThinkPad. Turn your laptop upside down and locate the screws holding the cover in place. Using your number 0 Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover off, you'll notice the internal components, including the fan, hard drive, and RAM. It's crucial to keep these areas clean for optimal performance. Take your compressed air and, at an angle, blow out any dust that has accumulated, especially around the fan and vents. This not only helps with airflow but also prevents overheating. If your laptop is sluggish or has been running hot, this cleaning step is essential. If you're unsure about performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any underlying issues. Next, let's check the RAM and hard drive. If you want to upgrade your RAM, carefully unclip the RAM slots and replace them with new modules. Always check compatibility before purchasing. If you're not comfortable with this, consider our quote before repair service to know the costs up front. Now, let's talk about cleaning the keyboard and screen. Use a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with water or a gentle cleaner. Avoid using excessive liquid, as this can seep into the internal components. For the keyboard, you can also use compressed air to blow out debris from between the keys. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your ThinkPad. Align the back cover and gently snap it back into place, making sure all clips are secure. Replace the screws using the number 0 Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight. Before we finish, let's remind you of our services. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, making it convenient for you. Finally, after reassembling, power on your ThinkPad to ensure everything is working correctly. If you experience any issues, feel free to reach out for a professional diagnosis. Keeping your Lenovo ThinkPad well maintained will ensure it serves you well for many years. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.